Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add projects to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your work, highlight your skills, and make your profile stand out to potential employers or clients. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step. After you've logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture along with some basic information. Click directly on your profile. This will take you to your full profile page where you can view and edit all your professional details. Now that you're on your profile, look for the button that says Add Section. This is typically located below your introduction card and gives you access to various elements you can add to enhance your profile. Click on it to see all available options. A menu will appear with different categories. From these options, click on Recommended. LinkedIn suggests these sections because they're commonly used and can really boost your profile's visibility and completeness. Within the recommended section, you'll see an option labeled Add Projects. Click on this to begin adding your project details. This feature allows you to display specific work you've done, whether it's a team effort or an individual achievement. You'll now see a form where you can input a project name and description. Be clear and concise with your project name, and in the description field, explain what the project was about, what your role was, and what you accomplished. This is your chance to really sell your contribution and impact. If you want to add more depth, you can also include skills that you used during the project and even attach media files like images, documents, or links. This visual element can make your project more engaging and provide proof of your work. There's also a checkbox that says, I am currently working on this project. If the project is ongoing, go ahead and check this box. It will let viewers know that this is active work you're involved in right now. Next, you'll need to input a start date for the project. If the project has already finished, you can also add an end date. This helps provide context and shows the timeline of your experience. Additionally, you have the option to input contributors if you worked with others on this project. You can tag them directly on LinkedIn. There's also a field for associated with where you can link the project to a company or organization if applicable. Once you've filled in all the relevant information and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save. This will add the project to your profile and make it visible to anyone who views your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a project to your LinkedIn profile, making it more comprehensive and impressive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.